The integrated design accepts custom wood or other decorative panels and handles. Make sure that the panels you are about to install match the dimensions and weight restrictions listed in the installation and design guides. D-style handles are recommended. Screw heads may have to be countersunk to not interfere with the panel fitting flush with the door or drawer. Install the door panel of tall units first, then the upper and lower drawer panels. Place the door panel face down on a protected surface and position the plastic template. Use caution when drilling bracket holes, especially with inset panels, to prevent damaging the panel. The template for tall units has two sides. Make sure to use the proper side and holes. Locate the bracket position and mark the holes. Then remove the template and carefully drill pilot holes. Place the bottom holes of the bracket over the pre-drilled holes and secure. After the bracket has been secured to the pilot holes, drill the remaining bracket holes and secure the bracket to the panel. Place a screw in the center of the upper and lower mounting position, just enough that the slotted holes on the hinge side door panel bracket will slide under the heads. These screws will support the panel during installation. Engage the handle side bracket first. Then slide the hinge side mounting bracket onto the screws. The panel can be adjusted 1/4 of an inch up and down and side to side. Once the panel is in place and adjusted, attach the remaining screws to the mounting bracket. Then install the magnetic decorative caps. Bracket position is based on 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch reveal. The smaller the reveal between cabinets, the greater the risk of severe pinching when fingers are placed near the opening while the doors close. Place drawer panels face down on a protected surface and position the plastic template. The bottom drawer allows for 2 mounting bracket positions, depending on the height and thickness of the panel. Locate the bracket position, mark the holes, then remove the template and carefully drill pilot holes. Position the mounting brackets with the tabbed bracket on top and L bracket on the bottom of the panel and secure them. Examine the lower L bracket and panel to determine the slotted holes on the bracket that will be used. Position screws into the lower portion of the drawer that corresponds with these slots. Leave the screws out slightly so the slotted holes will slide under the heads. Install the panel by engaging the top bracket first, then slide the lower L bracket onto the positioning screws. Each panel can be adjusted 1/4 inch side to side and up and down. Tighten screws, but leave room for adjustment. Place drawers back in the unit. For drawer units, reconnect the control cable for the top drawer. Make any necessary adjustments, then fasten all screws. A 90-degree door stop is built into the hinge system of all column and tall units. Use a standard screwdriver blade to rotate the cam until you reach the stop. Make this adjustment to both the top and bottom hinges. This section covers information specific to installing 2 integrated units side by side. Be sure to also review the Position the Unit section of this video for detailed instructions on properly positioning your units. A dual installation kit is required when 2 or more integrated units are placed less than 2 inches apart. Kits are available from your Sub-Zero dealer. There is one for 2 tall units, one for a column unit next to a tall or column unit, and one for a drawer unit next to any other integrated model. Remove foil from the mounting holes. Place the heater assembly against the left side of the right-hand unit. Using the heater as a template, mark mounting holes. Drill the mounting holes. Only drill through the outer shell. Do not allow the drill bit to penetrate the inner liner. Attach the heater assembly to the cabinet. Loosen the 2 screws holding the left kick plate bracket and pull the bracket forward. Pass heater wires through the slot behind the bracket. Then press the Hakko bushing into the keyhole slot to protect wires from sharp edges. Insert the 4-prong male connector into the female connector. Then insert wires into the male connector, matching wire colors, black to gray or purple, black to white, and green to green. Units are now ready to be installed side by side. If they are more than 1/4 inch apart, center molding and brackets cannot be used. Remove clips from adjoining sides of each unit and tape over the screw holes. Install and level both units. Using the two-hole steel brackets, secure the units at the top and base. Attach the top molding strips. If a 27-inch tall unit is being installed next to a 36-inch tall unit, the Z-shaped bracket must be used at the top of both units. Insert the center molding strip between the units. Secure the units in place. Attach the side molding strips. Reinstall the kick plates. Remove clips from adjoining sides of each unit and tape over the screw holes. Attach refrigerator-to-counter brackets at adjoining top-front corners. Install and level both units. Using the two-hole steel brackets, secure units at the base. Secure to underside of countertop. Insert the center molding strip between the units. Secure the units in place. Attach the side molding strips. Reinstall the kick plates. Remove clips from the adjoining side of the drawer unit. Then remove only the two lower clips from the adjoining side of the tall unit. Tape over the screw holes. Attach refrigerator-to-countertop brackets to the top front corner of the drawer unit. Attach the top molding strip. Install and level both units. Secure the units at the base, using the two-hole steel brackets. Secure the drawer unit to the countertop. Insert the center molding strip between the units. Secure the units in place. Attach the side molding strips. If necessary, cut the adjoining side molding strip on the tall unit with a hacksaw. Then install. Reinstall the kick plates. Now that you have finished the installation of an integrated unit, you will want to go through the installation checklist. Has the anti-tip bracket been installed properly? Is it making contact with the unit? Is the unit level? Are all leveling legs making contact with the floor? Is the power cord plugged into a properly grounded 3-prong outlet, which has been installed in accordance with all applicable electrical codes? Is the water supply connected for units with an automatic ice maker? Have you checked for leaks? Has the kick plate been installed properly? Are panels attached securely and properly aligned? Has the door been aligned for proper appearance and operation? Does the customer understand the unit's operation? Have you given the customer the warranty package? Have any installation or service problems been noted on the product registration card? Has the registration card been mailed in? Have stainless steel panels been inspected for any imperfections? This is to be done by the dealer or installer with the customer upon completion of the installation. Classic stainless steel panels are covered by a limited 60-day parts and labor warranty for cosmetic defects. Any questions or problems about this installation should be directed to your Sub-Zero dealer or the Sub-Zero customer service department at 800-222-7820. Warning: if you are storing or disposing of your old refrigerator or freezer, please do it safely. Remove the doors or tightly secure the doors closed. Child entrapment accidents can be tragic.